Hey, Seashell, guess what we got? I don't know. Wait, what am I in? It's a DeLorean. It's from Back to the Future. What do you think? I'm really starting to worry about things that you do here in the Dark Cosmic Universe. Isn't this really cool? Found it at a thrift store. And since it's Funko and we're Funko, I don't get it. It definitely goes with the Dark Cosmic Universe. What are you collecting these days? Do you have any Funko Pops? Do you have any Back to the Future toys? Let me know in the comments. Stay cosmically epic, my friends. Keep collecting all those action figures. Come back here to the Dark Cosmic Universe, and we'll definitely see you soon for another video.